Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Today's video is a brief 3-minute plus or minus on how to install soft close drawer slides in the RTA cabinets that they have out there on the market today. Now, I don't know if all of these drawer slides are the same, but I've purchased multiple cabinets at different times, and all of the slides that have come in have pretty much been the same or close enough to it. So you start off by putting in the back plastic bracket. Yes, it's plastic. And when you do, it's L-shaped. Put the small tab facing up, and then you kind of align and set your slide down on that plastic bracket. Line it up with the pre-drilled hole on the face frame, and then just attach the front of this slide to the frame. And what's neat is this sets up the slide at the perfect length, or depth I should say, and width when it's all said and done, that when you put the slide actuator attacher mechanisms, I don't know what they're called, I'm sorry, on the bottom of the drawer, it will perfectly line up with these drawer slides that you install inside of the cabinet itself. This is really just such an easy task to do, but there are no instructions on how to assemble the cabinets, and there are no instructions on how to install the drawer slides. At least there hasn't been in any of the cabinets that I have purchased. So, like I said, this is just a brief overview of what it takes to install the soft close drawer slides in the RTA cabinets that are out there on the market today. So the drawer slides are in. These are the little attachment hardware, we'll call it, that go on the bottom of your drawer up at the front of the drawer itself. I used some of the shorter screws that I had left over from assembling the cabinet, because the screws that they gave me to actually install these seemed way too long, where they were going to go through the bottom of the drawer. But there's basically 4 screws that is going to hold this catch in place. Once you put those 4 screws on there, finish taking the shrink wrap off the front of your cabinet, then it's just a matter of extending the arms of the slides out of the cabinet, setting the drawer on there, and then sliding it and latching it into place. And I'll give you a couple different views here to show you how easy it works. So sit it down, you've got everything set up, hold on to the slide tracks, and it just locks in. There you go. Alrighty then, I want to thank you all for stopping by. I hope this helps you out. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I'll see you next time. Take care.